Hi everyone, this is Jenny from the Nice DIY Studio, and here I'm gonna show you how do I take my picture for the Instagram or your video on YouTube. Okay, so here this is my phone, and here remember that you have portrait, photo, and you have different settings. Now for this one I want to make sure that it fits my Instagram profile, so I go to the square, and depending on what I want to show, as you see, I start moving all the things so it fits all of this square. Okay, see, and here is the tissue paper, and here, and see, like on this one I don't want it to be so close to that one. And then as you see, I start moving, and like this one is a great pick, and you can also see how it looks like. So this one is a good picture, and I start like moving and taking different shots, and see, and there's how I take my pictures. Okay, so there I got like 4. And as you see, it's just like a simple setting, and remember to use your sunlight. Okay, so this is how I take my pictures. I use a square to have them, you know, like all arranged and all of that. So it's not that fancy dandy, or I don't use like a fancy camera. I'm just using the camera of my phone. Okay, so hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Remember to hit the bell if you haven't, and so that it reminds you when I upload a new one. And remember to share. Oh, and on the comments below, write your questions, anything that you want to see in the next video. And hope to see you soon. Bye.